Hey guys, welcome back. We are still in ISO and going really insane. So today's ISO project that we've done is we have replaced the marine carpet that they have in the step of the van with this rubber matting stuff. Not really sure why they even have carpet there in the first place, because the whole van is this vinyl flooring, and then there's just this part that has the carpet, and all it does is catch all of the dirt and stuff from people's shoes or when you're sweeping it out, and it was really hard to get all of the dirt out of the step once you've swept it out from the van. So we've replaced it with this rubber matting, so hopefully that makes it much more easy. It actually even looks like it was supposed to be there because the van already had the same sort of stuff on the outside, but everything, the rubber matting, the little carpet skirting bit here, and the liquid nails all only cost about 30 bucks to do, and we think it's come up really good. So that's our little ISO project for today. Make sure you hit subscribe, and hopefully we'll be released out of lockdown soon.